Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And today we make for you some on-chain. So make sure to watch everything. Don't skip any part of that video because we got very important information in that video, so make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down next to it, a bell, turn it to all to watch all our updates here in YouTube. But if you want to be updated very quickly, you can join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video, because over there we give them other stuff like daily signals and many other things. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, that the daily candle here it's finished after that 2 days we've been here in that level here, and people in my Telegram and my Discord will make very nice earnings from the two signals. You can find it even here in YouTube in the community tab. They are not exactly like how we give it in our Telegram and our Discord, because in our Telegram we said where is the stop loss, where is the take profit, the first one, second one, third one. Those ones you need to join us in Telegram if you want to be benefiting from all those things. But here in the daily here, if you remember what me I told you about that market maker signal here, the one here, I told you we need to break either up here or either down here. So till now we haven't breaking above here in that level, and we haven't breaking down here, so there is nothing yet here in the daily. In the daily there is nothing. Also in the daily, people they've been with us for some time. Also we buying from here when we touch the 50 moving average here. Now over here we're breaking both of them, the 50 and the 200 moving average, and we got here now a very clear weight. By the way, I saw some people they following our analysis. It's okay, you can follow it, because us we giving people right information, not like majority of other channels. Some of them they bring in indicators. Believe me guys, I will tell you that all the indicators in the world, they will not work for you. Me, I got a long history in trading. I'm not just someone who started yesterday. All the indicators, they don't work. There is no indicator in the world working for trading. For investing, yes, maybe, but for trading, no. There is no indicator it work for trading. Remember that. So here we said it's need the Bitcoin either to break here, and also we are going to buy that 50%. Also we said we're going to buy it from down here when it's going to touch here the 200 moving average, or it's going to break here, then it's going to fall down a little bit down to 25k or 24k. Actually 25k, we touch it here now. It's going to fall down to 24k, between 24k to 23k. That's the levels me I tell you before, and we said that when we are here. People they've been with us that about 2-3 months when we used to be here at that level here, we said that there is the last correction is going to happen, and that's what us we saying now. Bitcoin, yes, when it's falling, it doesn't fall down by power like how it's going up, because Bitcoin, majority of the people they are investors, they are not day traders. That's why you see Bitcoin when it's falling, it falls slowly like that as you see it, but when it's going up, it go by power. So guys, for long-term investors, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. That's the only thing I can tell you. Try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. Always they say forget about the market, forget about the media, forget about the news. I know you heard a lot of news those days. You go into Twitter. By the way, me personally, I don't open Twitter those days, because Twitter is full by fibs there, a lot of lies. Every day you heard in some things, and those things they make you to get scared, and that's the goal of social media, to make you to get scared. Buy as much as you can, and don't follow no one he telling you to buy a shit coin or a scam coin. Never ever investing in those smaller coins. Some people they earning money, but majority of the people they losing money in those coins. That way me, you find me here in that channel, don't analyze any other coin apart from Bitcoin. Same things apply to you. If you want to make money, invest only in Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, those 5 or top 5 or top 10. That's it. Don't try to buy those shit coins or meme coins. Remember that. And here we said that one here is the moving averages, as we said before. Also ones here, as you remember them. Also we buy from here. When we touch in here, the 50 moving average, it went up till here. If also we would have taken profit there, would have we take it. And we said when we going to touch here that 23k 450 here down, as you see it, we're going to buy 50% from our capital. Until now the Bitcoin is showing here, because over here we got the 200 moving average in the weekly, and tomorrow we're going to analyze it for you. So we couldn't break it, and here the 50 moving average is showing as if it's going to go up. Oh, let's wait and see what's going to happen, because the 50 moving average is the fastest one. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. So here in daily there is nothing yet, we need to wait in. Now let's go into analyze for you some on-chain for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. So guys, the first one of the on-chain, that one people they been with me for some time now, they know me, I follow it a lot. His name Stock Flow, you can find it everywhere, and is it free indicator, and that one is very highly accurate indicator. I'm talking here about the on-chain data. That one with the color, it's become like that, dark blue like that, as you see it, just you by your eyes you see it. When it's become dark blue like that, historical, it's always the right time to start buying, and when it's become like that, starts getting a little bit light green like that, is the right time to start selling. I'm talking here about long-term investing, and as you see it now, look at it here, it started getting dark blue here, and also we are very close now to the halving cycle. It's left about 5 months and some few days. So guys, be prepared, because when we're going to reach here, also we are going to go till here, near to $500,000. I tell that to some people, and some people they don't believe me, but believe me guys, we are going to go till here, till $500,000. I'm talking about long-term investing here. Will not be within one day, it's going to be till 2025, till the next bear run, because the bull run it hasn't started yet, but it's going to be very huge this time, because big whales they started accumulating, and even you started buying slowly by slowly. If you buy one Bitcoin, you're going to change your life, believe me guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's see the second one. Second one is that one. I've been followed for some time, that one, and his name Bitcoin funding rate. That one I tell it to you, look at it here. You came like that and you see those spikes were happening here, that when the big whales they enter. Till now, also we still in the control of the big whales. People they still buying, but not a big whale enter. There is no big spike like this happening, as you see it. That's why you see the Bitcoin it's still very flat those days. Also we're going to have a small correction, but not that big. Remember that guys. So till now there is nothing yet here. The chart one, is it that one here? That one is very simple. It's two moving averages, like a channel by two moving averages. When it's become here like that, like here, and like here, that when it used to be the bottom, and as you see it, also we are here at the bottom. Until now, that one here, it hasn't crossed above here. That means the bull run, it hasn't started yet. So be focused about that. Till now, the bull run, it hasn't started yet. That's what that indicator is telling us here. It hasn't crossed above here. If you see it here, let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things I'm talking about. If you make a close eye with me here, you see it when it cross above here, that when the bull run starts, yes or no? So here in that place where we are us now, look at it here. Did it cross above? No, not yet. It needs to cross above here for us to know the bull run it start. It's going to be late, and that place here, me always at that level I started accumulating, I started buying as much as I can of Bitcoin. And people they been with me in that channel, also we buying Bitcoin from 15k, we buy it from 17k, we buy it from 20k. All that time we been buying down here. Me personally now if I want to sell the Bitcoin I have, I am in profit. I'm talking about long term. I'm not talking about day trading or something. If I want to sell now, I am in profit. I'm not losing nothing. Actually, I double my account. But let's go in more, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. By the way, people, they are in my Telegram channel and my Discord. We enter from here till down here. We are going to go to it when we reach 30 minutes. If you watching me now, if you are from my Telegram or my Discord channel, make sure to smash that like button and to write down a comment. Tell them the signals also we giving you here, and you don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here in that channel. So guys, here now at that level where we are, look at it. We came down here, we touching that level here. That one here, we just been discussing about it. Me and some friends in my Telegram channel, we said, they told me maybe it's going to fall down. Me, I told them no, it will not fall down from here. Maybe it's going to go back up. Why? Because we got here a very clear divergence. We are going to it, and now here, look with me here what we have. If you came here to that one here, and you came and you connecting those ones like that, and down here you came, you do it like that. What you seeing? We got a very clear triangle here in the 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you again. We came, we zoom it like that a little bit to see it very clear for you. Look at it now. You came to those ones here, to that peak, that one here, and you do it like that. That tell me I'm talking about. And down here, you came to that red one here, and you do it like that. You connect in that one here with that one here, and that one here in the top with that one here. And you waiting. Where is the Bitcoin is going to get broke? Either we are going to break here, we're going to enter long, either we're going to break down here, we're going to enter short. What shall we do now at this time? Just need to wait. Me, I'm talking here about swing trading. For scalping and day trading, us every day we're collecting very nice profit from the Bitcoin. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, you remember what else we said in the last video here. I told you we got here a downtrend here. Until now, if we haven't break it above here, there is no entry. And now here, we got a very clear divergence here. From that one here and that one here. I'm going to show it to you when we reach to other indicator. Now, what shall you do? Shall you enter long? Look at it. It's need to break here. That one here, it's need to be broken. For us to enter long, that one here. It's need to be broken and to enter from the bear control down to the bulls control. Till now, us we're still in a bear market, so there is no entry long. By the way, if you want the right time when us we are going to enter long, me, I'm talking here about swing trading, you can join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them, they are down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now guys, let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, look at it here. That the divergence me I'm talking about. You see it or no? If you came to that 2 like that, you got here a very clear divergence here from that one. And that one, where is the market now? What shall you do? Shall you enter long now at this time? Not yet. It's need either to break here, that triangle I just show you in the 4 hours here. It's need to be broken here in the top for us to enter long. Or it's need to break down for us to enter more short. Till now, there is nothing yet here, so we need to wait and more. Like how is it the last time us we enter from here, because the double top here till down here. Everything is too clear. And another thing here, I showed it to you before. I told you we got here a down channel like that. Like that, exactly, I tell it to you. So now, if also we break in the lower here, the triangle here, we are going to go to touch the lower here of that channel. What shall we do? Nothing. If it's breaking here, also we are going to enter short. If it's breaking above here, also we are going to enter to the top of that channel, because till now it's need to break that channel off for us to know if the trend is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, guys. Also we are in a downtrend. Look at it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you. Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you and you and you, it can growing up. And if you liking our analysis, please smash that like button. You done it? And write with it a comment, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here, that the signal us we give you here. People they been with us that 2 days. Us we used to be here. We have here at a very clear triangle like that. From here, us we enter last night. From here exactly. And that another day we enter from here. Exactly from here. Stop loss we put it here. Exactly. You can find it even in our Telegram channel. Check profit. Where is the check profit for people they been with us? The first one it used to be here. Second one it used to be here. And the third one, It used to be here. That's the take profit of us. Look at it by yourself. The first take profit is from here. We take 50%. Second one, here we take another 50%. Here we take all the profit down here. Now also at this time, what we waiting here in 30 minutes? Here in 30 minutes, now we got here our wage. Let's make it like that. And here down, we make it like that. We got here a very, very, very clear wage here in 30 minutes. Either the Bitcoin it need to break here for us to enter long, or it need to fall down to break down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicator. What it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's coming from oversold area. Should we enter long level? Also, we are in a very, very, very stronger level. As you see it, from here is a very stronger supply and demand zone, and also we touch it here. Should we enter long? Not yet. It needs to break here, the triangle here, for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Another thing very, very important here. Let me show it to you. The very important thing here is that one. We got here a very clear divergence here. You see it or not? Look at it here and look at it here. Should we enter long, guys? Not yet. Even if we got a divergence, even if we got all those things, we don't need to enter long. It's need the price action to tell us that all that divergence, all those things, they are just oscillators. We don't need to follow oscillators. That's why me I told in the start of the video, all the indicators, they don't work. And anyone who give you signals based on indicator, don't follow him. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.